Moses Oko, the boyfriend of the deceased Jennifer,
fled. All those our youth of nowadays, nothing we will not go see for their hand. Nothing we will not go see for their hand. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about one guy wey carry a girlfriend. He carry am, they waka, they go, they groove, they go. You don't know, the girl don't know say this guy get plan for his life. He don't know. He can't say now the way she be, na so the guy be. You don't know say this guy na very bad person. Now, as I dey tell now, so this boy don't give this girl RIP. He don't give the girl RIP. The thing shockalize me when I see him. But this life, it no balance. Oh. If I dey tell now say this life not balance, not be the life not balance. The people where they the life now not balance. Una understand? This boy now don't give this girl RIP. If papa now wa come talk, if papa say the boy get mental problem, you now know say he get mental problem. Now not put her for one place. Okay, this guy now don't make this girl now. My brother, the papa. Not be Europe you do where something go happen or can say the person get mental problem or can't live and more. No, this one they different. It they different. Eh? How dare you? You carry girl. Go make the girl just like that. As I dey talk to now, so the girl don't be RIP. My people. This girl don't be RIP. Eh? The thing shockalize me as I see him. The thing shock me, like seriously. Wait till they play. Wait till they happen. For inside abule. Wait till they happen. Eh? Like this, I don't understand. I beg girls. One of the look guy, oh. Before una follow boy, one of the look am beg. I use God to beg una, oh. I use God to beg una. What's it gonna happen for this world that we not understand again? Eh? Now then somebody go sleep, you not go wake up. Eh? More they look boy before una follow. More not they follow boy because say he get money and a yahoo boy, he get money. You don't know how it take do am. You understand? You don't know. I beg my darling people. Make una they look guy before una date. I use God to beg una. I use God to beg una. Just see the way they take me this girl now. As I dey talk to now, this girl don't be RIP, don't come out. It don't delete. It don't delete, my people. Eh? I don't just understand. My darling people, this thing just shocked me as I see the video. The thing really shockalized me, like seriously. It really shocked me to my bone marrow. So my ogbonge people, I'll put the video, more na see am. More na still watch. More na know wetin dey happen for inside abule. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye. Please, more than me share this video, please. Share it to your sister where they waka up and down. Share it to your sister where be say you know the year word. You want follow your old boy, you want follow guy where get money. I bet more than me share this video. Make you watch. Make you see what they happen for inside abule. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Moses Oko, the boyfriend of the deceased Jennifer, fled after her lifeless body was found on 1st January at the Dumos Parsi guest house, where they had lodged with some part of her body already harvested, allegedly by the suspect. Briefing journalists in Jos, the State Police Commissioner Bartholomew Onyeka said the command, in a bid to arrest the perpetrator, launched an aggressive manhunt on him and tactically trained him to Benue State, where he was arrested.
You should see him there. He's the one there. He was arrested in Benue State and brought down to this place very late yesterday. So I felt we should let you members of the public and the press to know that evil does not pay.
The suspect, Moses Oko, refused to speak. However, his father, Joseph Oko, lecturer with the University of Jos, claimed his son is suffering from a mental breakdown.
I'm the father. I got sign that he was taking weed. And each time I had the sign, not that I will see it, but I will smell it. I will go into heated argument. He will say it's better than cigarette.
Also paraded are 4 armed robbery suspects, kidnappers, a child trafficker, with different firearms recovered from some of the suspects.
Police patrol team of the command attached to the Department of Operation arrested one Emmanuel Azi, age 25 years, and Benjamin Yaku, age 24 years, both males of Soya Village, Goji District, Bassa, with 2 locally made pistols and 1 ammunition.
The police commissioner said all the suspects will be arraigned in court as soon as investigated.
So when I saw the post, I just felt like Toto was referring to Kpeme sellers, but I didn't take offense, you know, because
we borrow money. I've working since how many days now?
More than a week.
I've working about to collect some money. I've working about to call collect money.
We don't even spend the money finish.
Huh?
So when they spend a lot.
We borrow money.
Sorry, boss. They won't kill you now.
Instagram people want to kill themselves. It's not me. It's not me. Yes, step the straight down. Hunger, the catch. Shebi you say we borrow money. Aboki never come collect money since how many days now? 1 week. Since how many days now? Aboki still leave 10 million naira with us. Aboki still leave 10 million naira with us. He never come collect them. We borrow money. Return it, Abeg. I'll show you this money every day. So that I want to see.
Hi everyone, so as you all know, whatever is happening in the country, we always talk about it on Jaruma's platform. So there was a very big fight between Tonto and Bobrisky because Tonto posted on Instagram that we should not believe people that flaunt money on Instagram, that the money is for rent, that they rent the money from Aboki. You know, Aboki, that's those people that do brew the change. They rent the money. Like 5 million is 300,000 naira. So they rent the money and they do videos for you on Instagram and TikTok and Snapchat, and they return the money back to the Aboki. So when I saw the post, I just felt like Toto was referring to Kpeme sellers, but I didn't take offense, you know, because it just seems like a fun post. And we have been through so much in this industry, being in the media, being in the public eye, that something like this, you don't want to let it like trigger you, because Kpeme sellers are the ones that are always, you know, holding cash, doing this, doing that, and stuff like that. So money for rent, money for rent, money for rent, 5 million naira, 300,000 naira only. Money for rent for your TikTok and Instagram. Money for rent for your Snapchat and Instagram. Borrow money, borrow money, borrow.